Hey guys, how you all doing? I hope you're having a lovely day. So we're going to be sharing with you guys how we prepare our Finnish Christmas carrot pudding. So the traditional Christmas ham is served with the carrot pudding. So apparently it's a Finnish dish that is served on Christmas Day. So I've got 1 kg of carrots to use. I need 2 eggs, I need butter, I need rice pudding. So this is already made rice pudding, so it saves me just making it from scratch. I need my salt, I need my nutmeg, I need white pepper, so I just need to fill that into this. I need my breadcrumbs. I need quite a lot of breadcrumbs for some of the dishes that I'll be making, so I just need to finish this one first before I open a new pack. And then for this year I've decided to use some foils, so I'm going to put them in individual foils, and then we just prepare them, or we put them in the oven as we need them. I am going to start by peeling the carrots and then chopping it all up, and I'll get back to you guys. I have peeled the skin off the carrots and I've washed it. Because I need 1 kg of carrots, I noticed that whenever I peel the skin off, it's not quite 1 kg, so you have to weigh your carrots again. So I weighed my carrots and I was short 1 more carrot, so I had to take out from another bag. So now it's exactly 1 kg. So now I'm going to chop it up and then put it inside the pot with water and salt and cook it until it's soft. So guys, babe, can you stop now?
Yeah, okay.
So guys, if you stuck again, I will not do this thing. So guys, you've got the flu, Frederick. So guys, babe, leave me alone.
She doesn't love me anymore.
So guys, I've sliced the carrots and I've salted the water, so I'm going to boil these carrots now until it's soft, 15-20 minutes, and then I'll get back to you guys with the rest of the preparation. The carrot has been boiled, has been drained, has been cooling for like 30 minutes. So I'm going to mash them into this bowl and I'll get back to you guys. So now I'm going to put 3 deciliters of rice pudding, and we are using already made rice pudding. So I'm going to put the entire of this into the mashed carrots.
Mixy, and then add the cream.
And getting the already made rice pudding makes it easy to cook, right? So we'll mix this in. So 2 eggs.
Yep.
Egg is in, 2 eggs, and then half a teaspoon of salt. What else?
Half a deciliter of syrup.
This is so easy to make, guys. Do you know the origin of this food then?
Nope.
So why do your grandparents used to make it? Did they not tell you the story behind it?
Nope. I just know that everybody in Finland does. Half a teaspoon of white pepper.
Vit pepper, right?
Yeah.
Muscat nut.
Yeah. So same amount. That's fine.
That's it.
That's it. Mixy. We're gonna freeze it before it goes in the oven on Christmas Eve, 24th, when we celebrate here in Sweden. We're gonna whack it in the oven and bake it off.
Yeah. So this is just to make life easy for us on that day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, my foils have been buttered. So guys, I've divided them into equal measures into the foil, and to be honest, I thought it was going to be 3 foils, but it happened to be 5. So the good news is that I get to give my mama-in-law one of it to take home with her when she comes for Christmas dinner. I added the breadcrumb. I've used my fork to just give it a little bit of my design to it. so it's not warm. So now I can put it in the freezer, and I've named it so that I don't look for it. I hope you guys are also having a lovely time preparing for the festive season. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. So if you're finding value to my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber on my YouTube channel, and you can find me on Facebook as well. Come and join my growing family, and I will see you guys on the next one. Whatever you do, don't forget to try and keep smiling and remain positive